If you enjoy my content, please consider subscribing. Thanks for watching.
Alright, morning guys. Trying something different today. We're out here in St. Joe's Bay, Tuesday morning, and scallop season just opened. Saturday. My buddy Rick, him and his family went out, and they got their limit with no problem. So, but Tuesday ain't too many boats out here today. I'm sure there was a madhouse out here Saturday, right? Saturday, you went, yeah, they was covered with boats. But we got the place pretty much to ourselves. So I'm about to get in and see if we can't find some scallops. Alright guys, we're in water and about to start snorkeling around a little bit here. See if we can find some scallops. Alright, first scallop of the day. First scallop of the season for me. Not real big, but no.
Might have to throw that one over your shoulder.
Yeah. We'll look around here and see if we can find some big ones. That was a little bigger. That's two right there. Starfish. Bunch of pinfish. What do you want to do? Look around or shell. Alright, we're still looking for them, guys. Made 2 stops. Alright, spot number 4. Number 2. Don't tell everybody. Hey, you find it? Alright guys, we got a slow start, but we found them. I ended up with got a bag full there, but we got storms on the way. And it's getting real shallow. Tide going out. We're just gonna have to idle our way out of here. But big storm out there in front of us. Yeah, we did all right. Probably got my limit. Like I said, started off slow, but we ended up doing pretty good. Alright guys, we made it back in. FWC's checking us out. But man, we come in through some nasty weather out there. But we finally found a few scallops. We got them.